The Republican majority caucus in the Missouri Senate this morning promised to put something on the ballot to replace Amendment 3. Other than an assurance the new ballot question will include certain exceptions to any new restrictions on abortion, they were short on specifics. Missouri voters approved Amendment 3 in November, but only as of this past Friday is access to abortion in Missouri legal and available.
You have an appointment today?
Yes, ma'am. I have an appointment at 10.
A Jackson County judge threw out existing statutes that made licensing of abortion clinics difficult, if not impossible.
It is frustrating because people thought that it was done, it was decided.
Specifically, Judge Jerry Zhang said the licensing requirement is discriminatory because it does not treat services provided in abortion facilities, quote, the same as other types of similarly situated health care, including miscarriage care.
Same medications, same procedures, but if it was for abortion purposes, it was out of reach because of the licensing requirements. And so the judge clearly saw that that did not put abortion on the same level as other health care.
Planned Parenthood clinics in St. Louis and Kansas City already offer medical abortion services. The Columbia clinic plans to do so within the next couple of weeks. That means the return of anti-abortion demonstrators outside those clinics and assertions from like-minded lawmakers that the issue is far from resolved.
By striking down Missouri's licensing requirements, the court has prioritized the abortion industry over women's safety.
As they did during the fall campaign, anti-abortion lawmakers still insist Amendment 3 will lead to back-alley procedures at any stage of pregnancy with no health or safety standards. They also insist the language in the amendment can be manipulated to prevent legislation restricting transgender health care for minors. In short, they insist the voting public had the wool pulled over its eyes.
And the bottom line is that many of my colleagues and I believe that there is a need to provide some clarifications in the law to protect women, to install safety and standards in our Constitution.
The lawmakers today could not say exactly what a new ballot question would entail. And while abortion access is restored in Missouri, the legal process is far from over. An appeal of the Zhang Valentine's Day order is still possible, and the judge won't render a permanent ruling until after a bench trial, and that is not scheduled until January of next year.